Okay, so we left the class at this topic foreign key. Foreign key. How to do this? So let's check the table first. So we have table this. Okay, employee ID, employee name, email ID, salary, department, department ID. After that, second table is okay. Now two table, the department and the employee table. Okay, fine. So okay, here maybe we don't have this seventh or eighth column. I just deleted it. Now drop the column employee ID. Okay, fine. I'm going to drop this first. So I'm going to delete this column. Alter table employee, drop column, department ID. Now what happened? Okay, it's already cannot drop department ID in a foreign key constant. Okay. So actually we created a foreign key. That's why it's not deleting. No problem. We can directly use it. So no need to create. It's already here, and already we have updated yesterday this way. Now if foreign key already created, if I use this, it will throw the error. Let me check. Yes, already created. Duplicate foreign key constant because I already created it using this. If you want, I can delete everything, all the tables, and then we have to recreate it. And if I use this, insert into employee ID and create a new rows, that is seventh row, and putting this detail and to department ID. See, it's accepted, inserted. Okay, try this. See here, this column created. Okay, but when I try for the this one, because the eighth this department ID is not available here. Here 1, 2, 3, only 3 department ID, 10 is not there, so this will not accepted. See, it caused the error. Cannot add or update a child row of foreign key constant fail. Okay, because we have given a constraint about this. See, so there is 3 department ID 1, 2, 3, and we assign to each employee ID for this department ID. That's why when I try to run this code where this is the department ID which is not there, that's why it's not able to create. But when I change it, if I make this 3 and then run, See, it's accepted. The eighth row created here. So we can use foreign key to join two tables. One this table, department table, and the employee tables. Okay. So this is simple. Just create a table and add a department column. Okay. And then after that, update that after adding this table, the department, we have to update with this foreign key. Okay. And then we have to create a relation between both the tables, and then that depend upon the department ID. If there is a valid department ID, it's accepted, otherwise not accepted. So that's I'm trying to do here, and it's already accepted if its department ID is 123. If not, it's not accepted. Okay, so both the table are connected, department and the employee. So that is about the foreign key. Add foreign key constraint. Okay, so after that, indexing. So indexing, create indexing, speed up select queries. After creating an index, it will increase the select query. This create an index on employee table. It helps MySQL find row faster, but it does not store data separately like the table. Okay. So how to create index, name of the index idx underscore salary on employee table, and on the salary column. Create index idx underscore salary on employee under the salary column. Okay, so it's created index here, salary on employee. Okay, after that, if you want to use select from employee where salary is greater than 50,000, like this. Okay, so whatever the salary greater than 50,000, it's visible here. If I make this maybe greater than 60,000. Okay, so how to check if index is used? So just explain, select from employee where salary is greater than 50,000 or 60,000. So here ID is 1, select type simple, table employee, type range, possible key, idx underscore salary, we created the index. Okay, and then row is 3, field 100%, using index condition. Right, this way we can check it whether it's using or not. Okay, so index from the employee, it will show you the index. See here, primary key, FK department index, so key names. Okay, table is employee, column employee ID, department, and the salary. Okay, primary key we use for employee ID, FK underscore department used for department ID, and IDX underscore salary for salary column. Okay, collection A, cardinality. Okay, 6, 3, 6 like this. Okay, so this way we can check it. So it show the index from the employee. Now if you want to delete the index, just delete it. Alter table employee, drop index like this. So it will remove the index. See, I'm going to delete this. Done. Now if I show the employee, it's gone. So you can delete the index also, create the index also. So basically, it's when you click, it will help you to speed up the select query. This create an index on the employee table. It helps MySQL find row faster. Okay, but it does not store data. After that, transaction and the lock. The transaction example, start transaction. Okay, update employee, set salary equal to salary plus 5,000, where employee ID is 1. If correct, commit. If not, roll back. Okay, it doesn't throw error. If this is not match the criteria, it doesn't throw the error, but it's roll back. Maybe we read into the Python also, roll back and commit. Same way we are going to do this. Here first, let me check the employee table. Okay, so column is 65,000. I am going to use this start rollback. So 65,000 here. I'm not adding, I am subtracting. Okay, and here start transaction. See, if it correct, it commit, otherwise roll back. Roll back. Why it's roll back? It's done. So select for employee, limit, return. If I did something maybe incorrect, let's suppose I choose employee ID 10, which is not exist, and then I try to run. See, it's roll back. It doesn't commit, it's roll back. If you change, check this, select from employee, no effect. Okay, so that is, if correct, it's committed, otherwise roll back. It doesn't throw any error, it will show you roll back. So this is the transaction and lock. After that, query optimization, use explain. So explain, select from employee where salary is greater than 50,000. So show the index, use, query cost and scan type. Already we did not here. Explain from the employee where this thing. Same thing. It's the same thing. Okay. Simple employee all rows 8, 8th row, filter 3.33 extra. Okay, like this it will show you. It shows the index uses, query cost and the scan type. So that all about the SQL MySQL workbench. Okay, let's go for the Tableau. See, Tableau is the web version. We need website to use it. So I'm already using this Tableau. Okay. So create a graph, same like Power BI. So how to use this? Hello, Susmita and Sangeetamal. Hello, Sangeetamal. Yes. So we are going to start Tableau. Okay. So how to do this? Let me show you. Wait. See, there is so many website and so many version of Tableau. Like we can use www.tableau.com academy student, then www.tableau.com academic teaching, www.tableau product desktop, and the public. Okay, so we will use public. Okay, so you can use anyone, but maybe see, some of one 14 months free, some is 1 year free, like that. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, here create web authentication. Before that, you guys have to be login. You have to log in here. Okay, my profile. So I created my profile here, Amit Kumar Kamath, like this, and you have to also create this. So can you go to this website and create your account, please? I'm copying this. Hello, Susmita and Sangeetamila. Please go to the website of Tableau and create an account. Hello. Yeah. So you are going to creating an account on Tableau. Let's suppose I am a new user and go for www.google.com and write tab new. Okay.
My favorite thing about going to Globe Life Field is just the entire experience. You are going there to watch a baseball game, but they give you so much more. Fan loyalty and passion is what makes the wheels turn at the Texas Rangers. So fans were the reason that we decided to move from Choctaw Stadium and build this beautiful ballpark in Globe Life Field. We have a roof now, and in Texas, that's pretty important. We were
Okay. So once
all ready to have this great big party and welcome all of our wonderful fans.
okay guys, once you have created an account, you have to log in onto that account. Hello, Sangeeta Mila. Hello. So are you creating or what? Created. Fine. So Smita, you have created.
Mine is installing, sir.
Sorry,
It is downloading, sir.
downloading.
Yes, sir. This is for desktop version.
No problem. When you are created account, you have to log in with your user ID and passwords. Okay. So when you use user ID and password, see, let me show you. I am going to simply I go for tableau.com like this. tableau public. Okay, here see tableau public or like that. So I'm click on public. Okay, so I already have an account. That's why it doesn't show signing in here. But if you have not account, then you will see a signing in. That's why, and then you have to click here and then sign in. When I sign out, I have to sign in. Okay, so after that, once you sign in, you have to show this thing. Two two options. So create web authoring. Okay, click on this. It will take you to the website, and now see what happens. Drag and drop the file. So I'm going to upload the file global superstore data. Okay, it's in your Power BI. Here, global superstore data. Just drag, and where is the website? Hold on. Here. Or you can upload from computer like that. Drag. No problem. Hold on. I'm going to use this upload from computer. Use global superstore data and open. So it's start uploading. Sangeeta, please try to upload the file. Okay. See, we get a file here. Order, people, and return sheet. Visual, Susmita. The file is visible. Global superstore data, same file which we use in Power BI. And Sangeeta Mila, you have also seen this. Hello. Hello. Okay. So can you upload this file into the Tableau and let me know if you have done. Okay. Once it's done, here three files. So I'm going to click on order. Order file. Here sheet one like this. If you click on sheet one, see sheet one. If you click plus sheet two like this, you can get sheet. Same way Power BI. Sheet one, sheet two. Okay. And data source here. Okay. Drag. drag the order sheet here. Okay, I'll go to the sheet 1. So in website version, it's sometimes it start buffering or like that. So that's why people like Power BI more. Okay, all the columns are now visible here. Sangeeta Mila, is it visible to you? Hello, visible, no? Okay, so I'm going to select sum of sales into the rows here. Okay, and sum of profit also into the rows, and maybe sum of order date into the column. Now, after that, if you click on show me, it will show you the graphs, which graphs are possible according to this data. So I'm going to click on bar chart. See, it shows the bar chart. Go to sheet 2, drag maybe subcategory and maybe region, and if I drag and drop profit into this column and choose, if I click on this, so this is a table, or if you want to choose any other graph, maybe this one. Okay, so it will give you the pie chart. Okay, now subcategory and all. So if I want to change something, okay, go to page 3. Okay, now I am going to choose a simple, maybe a simple things, maybe order date into the column and sum of sales into the rows. Simple, very simple. And I click on area chart. See this. Again, drop sum of profit into this. See, like this. Okay, click on sheet 4. Now I want category into the columns and quantity, profit. I choose something like this. See, okay. This way you can create a graph in Tableau, but it's a web version. It's also good, but not like Power BI. Okay, okay. Sangeeta Mila, are you trying this? Hello. try. If you are not able to do this, let me know. Susmita, what happened to you? Loading. Are you using this public or what?
Yes, I created the account. I got activated, and now I have uploaded the
Oh, seat. The global the seat global superstore data.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fantastic. Okay, Sangeetamila, you can share the graph if you have created any graph using the Tableau. Please share it. Sangeetamila, have you completed any graph? हाँ हाँ ये एक मिनट. अनिरुद्ध काम हो गया जल्दी भाग जल्दी भाग जल्दी भाग जल्दी काम हो गया तुम बच्चे अपनी करना था भाई हेलो हेलो can you share me the graph on the group please Sangeeta Mila and Susmita if you did you can also share or you can share me the screen and any issue let me know
Is the right share this?
please share hello okay so if you want you can create some more graph like just same way in Power BI but the user interface little difficult but whenever you start working you will also familiar with this also but I like to work with the Power BI because that is very nice and no internet required for that so maybe if I want to create something like hold on um, category, and in category, or maybe wait, subcategory, sum of profit or sales, and choose I think not possible. Paragraph possible. This is possible. Okay, an error occur while communicating with data source, order plus global superstore data. Yeah, these kind of issue we face when we use Tableau. Yes, this happen, man. So you can re upload the data, re-upload. Sorry. Hello, Susmita. Hello. Yes, yes. You are able to do it or not?
Not able to share the screen also.
Okay, 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 okay. No problem. But are you able to create the graph like this? What
No,
I'm
sir, I was not able to download, upload the file itself.
okay, okay. See, that kind of issue you will face when you use a Tableau. But try it, you will definitely get it. See, but you see the procedure, no? How I did.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same way, log in into the Tableau, then it asks you to upload the data, either drag and drop, or you can click on to the option is there. You can take it into the from the folder, and so you will see your data here in data source. See this. Click in data source here. See when Y is hang now. Maybe because of this is the issue of the web version. See, your data will be visible here. So just hold and drag and drop here. Okay, in this area, drag the data and drop. See, it's created a then return. See, okay. Once you drop here your file, then go to the sheet. Because this is a web version, so it take time to upload. Even in Power BI, it's take time. Yes, see here. All the three sheets is visible here. Same way like Power BI. Okay. And now you can drag and drop into the column and row, columns and rows. Once you drop and drag, it will suggest you the graphs. Okay. So let's suppose I'm choosing sheet 3 or sheet 7, and if I want to try this, and for that choose sum of sales profit here. Okay, sum of sales here. Create new sheet, drag profit and drop into rows. A data source error, unable to process because of an error from the data source here. Even I am getting this error. Sangeeta Mila, hello, see this. My screen is visible to you. See, even I am getting the same. So that's why people refer to work in a Power BI because it's a web version and we face like this kind of issue. Try again. Try again. So you can try it when you get the time. Okay, anyway, so you understand now how to use it. If you want to change color, all the things, you can do it. Here. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm going to stop the class. Just practice it. Okay. Sangeeta Milan Susmita. And hope you understand how to use the Tableau. Okay. We will try to do something more into it. And then I will check which topic is left to discuss. And we will try to finish our course as soon as possible. Okay. Okay then. Bye bye. Bye. Sangeeta Mila.